What is going on, familia? Super excited to have you guys here, and I wanted to just let you guys know about this beautiful gold trade I took this morning during New York session, which actually profited us over 127 pips, guys. That's well over $1,300 USD in literally a matter of less than an hour. So if you're struggling with your trading or you feel stuck, I want you to know that this is a community you can count on. Wanted to create this video. I know a lot of you guys struggle with your trading or struggle with finding these entries, especially in the morning. You feel kind of like you block yourself out, you feel kind of stuck, you feel foggy, you're like sitting in the charts, you're just like, what do I do next? What's my next move? If that's you, let me know in the comments below, because I know you guys aren't alone. I know I felt like that when I first initially started trading. And if you enjoy these videos, guys, make sure you guys smash that like button. And with that being said, let's just get started with this video. Alright guys, welcome back. Let's just dive right in. If you enjoyed these types of videos, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up below, but wanted to kind of go over our gold trade that we took this morning. As you guys could see, it's important always focusing on market structure and understanding the overall bigger picture as always. But check this out, team. Price went over 127 pips in our favor. Now, what I'm about to show you is going to be able to help you also take your trading to that next level and also help you get exact trade entries like this. Later on in the video, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, but let's start with the most important factor, team, is understanding market structure and kind of where we're at. So let's head over actually to our other gold chart, and then actually let me know in the comments below, do you guys actually trade gold? Let me know in the comments below, team, which one of you guys trade gold, and if you don't trade gold, let me know which is your most favorite pair that you enjoy trading. I look forward to reading the comments, guys, below. And with that being said, let's take a look here. Okay, let's take a look at gold. So one of the things that I always like to look at, obviously during the day, obviously every single day, I like to look at the daily, understand where their overall direction is for the daily, but also where the overall direction is for the 4-hour time frame. I'm not going to focus so much on the monthly or the weekly at this moment, because that's something that I can check on later down the week and do it more on a weekly basis. But the daily and 4 hours is something that I definitely do want to keep on looking at on a consistent daily basis, and we can focus on the weekly and monthly levels once a week. Okay, so taking a look right now on the daily, we could see that this is the high here. Okay, we have a daily high and daily low right here. I don't really want to focus on the left hand side. I want to focus on current price action. That's all I really care about. We do know that we were kind of in this downwards momentum for a bit. We broke above it. We pulled back essentially now to these previous lows over here. You can see that that's a level of support over here. So I knew that most likely we were going to get a push up. I knew that the overall kind of sentiment, knowing that we had pulled back, we broke outside. So check this out. So we broke outside of this downwards channel, or this downward, not channel, but downwards trend. We got a nice break of structure. However, we came to this resistance high and we pulled back. Now, when I woke up this morning knowing that we were kind of holding this level of support and pushing back up, I knew that this was the high of the range and this was the low of the range, right? High and low of the range. Narrowed it down to the 4-hour time frame, and obviously this didn't exist. This impulse didn't exist. This is what we actually caught this morning. But I had noticed that we had this clean traffic on the left-hand side. We had price slowly start creeping back up. It pulled back down, but I noticed that it held this level of support here. So let me zoom in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So when I noticed that price, for example, over here, I think it was, what time was it here? So 6 p.m. Yeah, there we go, 6 p.m. So once we started getting an impulse back up, right? Once I woke up at 6 a.m. So this is, we're going to see it much better on the smaller time frames. This is where I started noticing a beautiful entry. So, okay, this is the 30-minute time frame. I know that this high that I have marked off is the high, daily high, and we've got the daily low down here. So I knew at this point, I knew that most likely when I woke up, let's find here, okay, 5 a.m. I woke up at 6:30, so I was around here. 6:30, there we go, 6:30, 7. Okay, we had volume kick in here, 7, and then we had the pullback here at 7:30. So this is where I started to look for potential buys. Now, I always keep in mind certain area highs like this, so I knew that most likely it was a little bit more of an aggressive impulse, like entry, but that's fine. I waited for the pullback. I didn't enter yet. I waited for the pullback, because if we look at this, team, pay close attention. At 7:45, look at the charts here at the bottom end of the charts. Look at the candles. So we got 15-minute candles. We got one here. It was 7:30, 7:45, and the other one was 8 a.m. So I knew before before this happened, when I woke up at 6:30 and I was doing my analysis and I saw gold impulsing up right here, I knew it was going to give us a pullback before we had the New York Open. I had a feeling that was going to happen. Most often than not, price is going to do that. It's going to give us a retracement. So I knew we were in this upwards momentum, and I knew that we were going to get a pullback. So I didn't buy here. And this is what I explained in the live stream. So if you guys actually want to see the full breakdown live of when it actually happened, it's on my live stream from this morning. Today is Monday, July 31st. So if you're wondering, you can find it when I did the live stream in the morning, and you can scroll through the live stream. You'll be able to see it there. So I knew it was going to pull back. So I didn't enter here. Although it had created new highs, we kind of, even this candle kind of closed a little bit above this high here. I still didn't enter because I knew by New York Open, once the markets were going to open up, it was going to give us some sort of a retracement. So here's what I did. So pay close attention to this because this is insane, team. So I grabbed here, I'm going to replay this and watch what happens. So replay this, right? It's AM. That's what I see. I'm like, okay, gold's here. We've got a high here. Perfect. I'm like, okay, we're overextended here on the 15-minute time frame, but where's the high here? So let's play it. I started seeing some sort of rejection. Perfect. I saw rejection. I knew that this started to form a high. So this was a high for me. And what I grabbed is what I grabbed my Fibonacci from the lows to the highs. And I said, okay, I am waiting for price to pull back. And I literally showed this in the stream. I'm waiting for price to pull back at least to my 0.50 or 0.38 or 0.618 level structure, or sorry, not level structure, but this level of support or golden buy zone. And then we'll see a nice impulse to the upside. And if you let this play out, guys, you will see in a second, once I play this out, not only did price reject this area, you can see that this was a level of support down here, but price ended up going all the way back down and then going impulsing to the upside, giving us a beautiful trade, which was well over 127 pips. So I'm going to play this out. So let's see what happens here. I'm just going to remove the Fibonacci just so it's cleaner for you guys to see. And as you guys can see, we have the pullback. So this was again 8:30, 8:15, and then boom, we have the huge impulse. Stayed in here. At this point, we had a nice retest of this high once we broke above this high. And look at this, team. We had price went exactly as expected in our upwards direction. I think it was by 10:30, 10 a.m. we were already out of this trade. There you go. 10 a.m. we were already out of this trade, this gold trade. It just goes to show, team, I wanted to show you this as an example. It just goes to show it's possible and you can catch trades like this, right? But let's say you're struggling and you still want to be able to figure out how you can catch opportunities like this. Make sure you watch my videos, guys. I post videos every single week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, new videos every single week, and I'm live every single day at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So if you're looking to join the community, maybe it's your first time joining in, welcome to the family. Make sure you're subscribed below. Make sure you also have your notification bell turned on. That way you don't miss out on any single piece of content I pull out. And yeah, if you're also looking to join in our free Telegram group, guys, we have an amazing community on there. Make sure you join in on that. Great community. It's absolutely free to join in. But also wanted to let you know about my VIP Inner Circle. If you're looking to take your trading to new heights, not only just the signals group, because it's not really a signals group, but it's an actual community where you connect with other traders, but also you get my analysis, my actual trade ideas, with the breakdown as to why I'm taking this trade, not just here, copy and paste these numbers and that's it, but actually, understanding why I'm looking at the market this way, why I'm anticipating price to go this direction. And trust me, guys, you're going to notice the difference once you understand why I explain things, right? And this is what's really going to help you, because when you're starting out and you're new to trading, you need to understand where you're going wrong. Otherwise, what's going to happen is you're going to go through trial and error. You go through a lot of hoops, ups and downs. And I don't want you guys to go through that. I want you guys to avoid the mistakes I went through. That's why I say, watch the videos. Even if you can't join in on anything or like the inner circle, that's fine. Literally, that's just there for you guys. But my best advice, if you're starting out, make sure you watch the videos, make sure you stay focused and practice, because this is how you're going to be able to catch these opportunities. And if I go back to the stream one that I had, so stream gold, because I had a different gold here so you guys could see, you can see we profited well over 127 pips in our favor. Beautiful, beautiful turnout. And I was only risking 30 pips because I knew gold sometimes could create certain wicks. Price gave us the pullback I was anticipating and then spiked all the way up well over 127 pips, guys. It's over $1,300 in a matter of like 2 hours. It just goes to show the power of trading and what you can do once you have this skill set. I'm telling you guys, it's life-changing, and it's changed my life completely to the point that I left my 9-to-5 6-figure corporate job, sales job that I had for over 5 years, because that's how committed I am with my trading. That's how confident I am in what I do. So I want you to know to not be discouraged, to know that this is a community you can count on. Come say hi. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. That way I know that you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys have a blessed week. I'm excited for this week. We've got lots to look at. But yeah, don't be shy, and make sure you guys join in our live streams every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York session. Let's get it.